What's up guys, back at again with JK's Kitchen, and today we will be making one of Christian's favorite soups, Zuppa Toscana. But first, hit that subscribe button and like this video because it really helps a lot, and it also lets me know if you like these kind of videos as well. Other than that, let's get started. Heat up a large pot over medium-high heat. But if you're like me, my pot isn't really big enough, so you'll see later on what I do to make more soup. Add 6 ounces of chopped bacon, saute for about 8 minutes or until brown, and transfer the bacon onto a paper towel lined plate. And then spoon out the excess oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pot. Add 1 pound of Italian sausage. We do recommend using just the hot Italian sausage. Make sure to remove it out of the casing. As it cooks, it should break apart by itself into smaller bite-sized chunks. But if it doesn't, then just use scissors to help break it apart, like I did. Saute for 5 minutes or until brown, and remove to a lined paper towel again. Dice up 1 medium onion and saute for 5 minutes or until soft and golden. Then add 10 large cloves of peeled or minced garlic and saute for 1 minute. Add 4 cups of chicken broth or stock. I used chicken stock since I already had that on hand. And add 6 cups of water and bring it to a boil. It says to use 5 medium russet potatoes, but since I use Instacart for my groceries, my shopper only found large russet potatoes. So I would definitely just use 3 or even 2 potatoes, only if they're large and in charge. Peel them and chop them into bite-sized pieces and boil them for 14 minutes. You'll know when the potatoes are done by seeing how easily you can pierce them with a fork. Get 1 bunch of kale and start stripping it off the stem. Then just go ahead and chop the kale. Then reduce the heat of the pot and add the kale. The pot should still be boiling slightly. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and bring it back to a boil. Season to taste with salt and black pepper, then remove from heat. Garnish with bacon and grated Parmesan. To make it spicier, we kind of added red pepper flakes, and then on top of that, which I forgot to record, I was just too excited, finally use this, but I also used our friend's sauce that they made. It's called Boon. It definitely worked on the soup as well. If you guys are ever in LA or if you want to order online, the sauce is called Boon, and go ahead and check them out. And there you have it, a nice hearty soup, perfect for this upcoming winter. We just had this during our camping trip to Death Valley, which I'm super excited for you guys to see next week. So stay tuned, and until next time, bye!